Hey Wealth Warriors, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of AI coins, why they're gaining momentum, and why they're about to explode during this year's altcoin season. If you're looking to take your crypto portfolio to the next level, you definitely don't want to miss this video. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated with all the latest content about crypto, tech, and AI. Let's get into it. So, what exactly are AI coins? To put it simply, AI coins are cryptocurrencies that are either powered by artificial intelligence or are closely tied to projects utilizing AI technology to improve or enhance the blockchain ecosystem. These coins are emerging as some of the most innovative players in the crypto space, and it's easy to see why. Artificial intelligence is no longer a far-off technology. It's actively being used to solve real-world problems, including those in the crypto world. One key aspect of AI coins is their ability to leverage AI to make blockchain systems smarter and more efficient. Whether it's enhancing smart contracts, automating trading systems, or creating decentralized networks that learn and evolve over time, AI is taking crypto to the next level. For instance, some AI coins are being used in machine learning and predictive analytics, helping to forecast market trends and trading opportunities. This means AI-powered systems can automatically analyze vast amounts of data and make decisions faster than any human could. This alone opens up new opportunities for traders and investors. Then there's the fascinating development of autonomous systems. We're seeing projects that are creating decentralized networks where AI-powered agents can complete tasks and make decisions on their own. These systems don't require constant oversight from humans and can adapt and learn as they go. This is a true game changer, and it's why AI coins are attracting so much attention right now. But let's dive deeper. Why are AI coins so important right now, especially as we're entering altcoin season? Altcoin season is a period when altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, experience rapid growth and increased attention from traders and investors. This is the time when we often see coins outside of Bitcoin and Ethereum gaining value, and AI coins are becoming some of the most exciting players in this space. One of the biggest reasons AI coins are set to explode in the current market is the growing interest in automated systems. AI is an incredibly valuable tool for crypto traders who are looking to optimize their strategies. With the help of AI, traders can implement automated trading bots that respond to market fluctuations in real time. AI allows for faster decision-making and increased efficiency, which is exactly what traders need in such a volatile market. Furthermore, AI-powered smart contracts are becoming more widely adopted. These contracts can automatically execute terms and conditions without any human intervention, which adds an extra layer of trust and reliability to blockchain transactions. As more people realize the potential of AI in making these processes more efficient, the demand for AI-driven solutions is only going to rise. Now let's talk about some of the top AI coins that are already making waves in the market. There are several projects that have successfully integrated AI with blockchain technology, and these are just a few examples. One project that's gaining significant attention is Singularity NET, also known as AGIX. This platform has a mission to democratize AI by offering a decentralized marketplace for AI services. What makes Singularity NET unique is that it allows anyone, whether they're developers or businesses, to create, share, and monetize AI algorithms. The potential for Singularity NET to revolutionize sectors like healthcare, robotics, and more is incredible. And as demand for decentralized AI solutions grows, this coin could see huge gains. Another project worth mentioning is Fetch.ai, or FET. Fetch.ai is creating an ecosystem of autonomous agents powered by AI that can carry out tasks like data sharing, optimization, and decision-making in a decentralized way. Imagine a network where these agents can negotiate deals, manage resources, and make decisions without needing human intervention. Fetch.ai is opening up new opportunities for industries like supply chains, finance, and even energy, and it's a project that's making huge strides in bringing AI and blockchain together. There's also Newcomer, which goes by NMR, and is using machine learning models to create hedge fund strategies. What's unique about Newcomer is that it allows data scientists to create predictive models, stake NMR tokens on their predictions, and earn rewards based on the performance of their models. It's a perfect example of how AI is being used to disrupt traditional finance, and it's one to keep an eye on as AI continues to reshape the financial world. Another notable project is Ocean Protocol, or Ocean, which is all about creating a decentralized data exchange that allows individuals to share and monetize their data securely. This could lead to a massive increase in the demand for AI-driven data analytics and machine learning, particularly for businesses looking to harness valuable data sets in a decentralized way. Now, as we head into altcoin season, the excitement around AI coins is palpable. As I mentioned earlier, the market is ripe for growth, and AI coins are in the perfect position to take advantage of this. With AI's potential to predict market trends, automate trading processes, and create smarter blockchain systems, it's no surprise that investors are starting to take notice. The fusion of AI with blockchain technology is something we've only just begun to explore. We're seeing the beginning of a new era, where AI coins become essential tools in trading, investing, and decision-making. With this growth comes huge potential for AI coins to increase in value and adoption over time, which means if you're an early adopter, you could be in for some serious rewards. Looking ahead, the future of AI coins is bright. As blockchain technology continues to evolve, AI's role in the ecosystem will only become more integral. Imagine a future where blockchain networks are fully autonomous, self-optimizing, and driven by intelligent AI systems. That future is closer than we think, and AI coins are right at the center of it all. So, if you haven't already started looking into AI coins, now might be the time to consider adding them to your portfolio. They're not just another hype, they're a transformative force in the crypto world, and with altcoin season in full swing, their potential for growth is undeniable. That's all for today's video on AI coins and their explosive potential in the world of crypto. What do you think? Are you already invested in AI coins, or are you planning to explore this space further? Let me know in the comments below. And, as always, if you found this content helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are also looking to stay ahead in the world of crypto. Until next time, Wealth Warriors, keep pushing forward, keep learning, and keep growing your wealth.